For sure. So Canada has taken a lead in, being actually legal, and so you can sort of, expand and grow. And absolutely, the companies are doing an aggressive job with that. The issue is a little bit that, it's still uncertain, right? I mean, Europe is brand new. It's not really legal yet. There's just pockets of spots where you can start to sell. And we don't know who's going to end up supplying that market, in 2 and 3 and 5 years, right? So they're doing the right thing, but there's a lot of uncertainty with this expansion.
This expansion is specifically medical marijuana, and I'm just curious, Rob, how you think they are positioned, or any of these cannabis companies are positioned to actually serve CBD to the international markets, which may have a path of least resistance in terms of legalization.
Yeah. So right now, they're expanding their, growing basically marijuana in Europe, and we'll sort of see how regulations develop. And again, that's where that speculation comes in, where we haven't got, broad clarity on either medical or CBD in Europe yet. So I wouldn't say that, the pathway is yet 100% clear which way it's going to go. Even
if the pathway were clear, Rob, I mean, how ready are countries like China? I mean, China is growing marijuana right now. They're extracting CBD from hemp and from marijuana for the export markets. Do you see that as major competition for some of these Canadian players?
In Jamaica too, yeah. I think actually, like in many places, cannabis has been, traditional medicine in China. So whether that's the main source of competition or field-grown crops in, Canada or the U.S. or elsewhere, there's just, multiple levels of uncertainties you go through here. Now, people will want, especially for medical, people will want a security of supply. You want to know that you're taking a high-quality product that's been tested, et cetera. And so I don't think that we're in a race to the lowest common denominator necessarily, but I think what you just highlighted is, one of many uncertainties as we try to get there.
Do you have any buy ratings in this universe?
We do on Aurora, and so as you mentioned, we have a negative rating on the industry. Just the last few months, it's volatile, right? I mean, you're basically just taking shots trying to get directionally correct, and we've tried to go with, someone who's got scale, leadership, ability to grow, and then, a little bit of execution. I think it's time for the companies to really start executing, or else we'll continue to see erosion.